Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the horns on Audi A6 C5 4B. The horns on this car are located on the back of the front bumper, so in order to get access to the horns, first we need to remove the front bumper. We'll start by removing the two front wheels. Next, I'm going to remove the bolts holding the wheel arch liner and move the wheel arch liner to the side, to the rear. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the two wheel arch liners are moved to the rear, we have access to the nuts holding the front bumper. These are the three nuts holding the front bumper on this side, on the right side, and it's the same on the left side. Again, three nuts holding the bumper. We need to remove those nuts. That's the 6 nuts holding the front bumper on the two sides removed. Next we're going to remove the bolts holding the bumper on the front. One of the bolts is right there and the other bolt is on the other side, but in order to get to it we need to remove this grill. On the other side we need to remove that grill as well, but in my case it was missing. That's the bolt right there. We need to remove the bolt completely in order to remove the front bumper. That's the first and the second bolt removed. Now if there is any bolts holding the front bumper on the bottom where the engine and the tray is, we need to remove that. In my case there isn't. If not, we can just pull out the bumper and the only thing left to remove is the electrical connectors. Once we disconnect the electrical connectors, we can take out the bumper. Now that we've removed the bumper, we have access to the two horns. One of the horns is right there, there is a bolt holding it and the electrical connector, and the other horn is on the other side right there. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.